Ready na ang self-lit setup natin mga guys. Self-lit lahat yan. Bombshells, 3 pieces ng Coco synchronize, DASI 25. Tapos fireworks proper, Space Ranger na 168 shots. Susundan ng Nightfall na 2 inches, 49 shots yan, parang bombshell na. Tapos Takeshi's Castle 150 shots, synchronized sa DASI 42 shots, premium 2 inches, Dragon brand. Fan shape natin from Golden Rooster, Captain America 49 shots. Finale, siyempre favorite ko, Dragon Hayabusa Iris 3 pieces synchronized, 2 beses yon, sasabihan ng 20 shots na Andromeda Premium Bombshell customized. 2 yan. Yan. Self-lit lahat yan guys. Sinaga akong i-series. Happy New Year!